In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer subscribers from Mailerlite to Convertkit. By the end, you'll have your list safely exported from Mailerlite and imported into Convertkit with fields mapped correctly and ready for emailing. Start in your Mailerlite dashboard. From the main navigation, head into the subscribers area. This is where your entire list, along with any fields like email, name, and other details, is stored. Look for the Actions menu. It's typically near the top right of the subscribers page. Open that menu and choose Export CSV. Mailerlite will prepare a file that contains your subscribers' data in a simple, spreadsheet-friendly format. When the export is ready, click Download. Your browser will save a CSV file, usually to your Downloads folder. You can leave the file as is, but it's often helpful to quickly spot check it to confirm that the email column is present and that names or custom fields look reasonable. Avoid changing column names unless you know you'll map them differently in Convertkit. Next, switch over to Convertkit. From your Convertkit dashboard, click the Grow tab, then select Subscribers. This is where you'll bring your CSV into your Convertkit account. Click Import CSV to begin, and then choose a file to upload. Select the CSV you just downloaded from Mailerlite. Convertkit will display a mapping screen where you connect your CSV columns to Convertkit fields. Make sure the email column is mapped to the email field. That's the critical piece. If your CSV includes first name, last name, or other custom fields, map those to the corresponding fields, or create a new custom field where appropriate. This ensures your personalization tokens and segments continue to work correctly after the move. When everything looks right, click Next. You'll see optional settings before the final import. Here you can apply a tag to all subscribers in this upload so you know exactly where they came from, or associate them with a specific form or segment if that fits your workflow. If you use groups or segments in Mailerlite, tags in Convertkit are often the closest equivalent, so consider adding one that reflects their original group. When you're ready, click Start Import. Convertkit will begin processing the file, and the time it takes depends on your list size. You can safely navigate away while it runs. When the confirmation appears, click Got It. Your subscribers will populate under Grow and then Subscribers with the fields mapped the way you set them. If you notice any mismatched fields later, you can repeat the import with adjusted mappings to refine your setup. That's it. Your Mailerlite subscribers are now in Convertkit and ready to receive your next campaign.